There are literally hundreds of law firms out there that specialize in credit repair. There's one online firm that does so much marketing that they probably have more credit repair clients than all the others combined. We're not going to show you their website because, well, they're lawyers and they would probably sue us because the truth is out there and they don't want you to know it. Now let's look a little more closely at credit repair law firms. Let's say this is you, which will probably take some imagination on your part, unless, of course, you happen to be a misshapen woman with an enormous head. And let's say your goal is to have perfect credit, meaning no negative entries and the highest credit score possible. And up here is the credit repair law firm. Keep in mind that these law firms can do a great job, but there are a couple of major problems. First is the price. The most popular law firm charges a $99 setup fee and anywhere from $39 to $79 every month that they work on your file. Problem number one is that because they make their money from monthly charges, the longer they take to repair your credit, the more money they make. In fact, they tell you right on their websites that it could take a year, 2 years, or even 3 years. That means that it will cost you between $567 and $2,000 to get your credit fixed, which is why they're getting very, very rich. But even that much would be worth it, wouldn't it, if they could fix your credit for you? Sure it would, because you could save that much money in the first year alone by having great credit. But how much sense does it make to pay $2,000 or even $500 when you can get the same benefit from Credit Repair Magic for less than $100? Well, you might say that your time is valuable, and it's worth it to pay someone else to do all the work. But here's a dirty little secret about working with credit repair law firms. You still have to do most of the work yourself. More work, in fact, than you will do when you use Credit Repair Magic. Here's why. First of all, you have to sign all kinds of paperwork and power of attorney forms just to start the process. Some of these forms require you to get your signature notarized, so the sign-up process alone could take hours. Then you have to order your own credit reports from the credit bureaus. Then the credit bureaus are going to send the reports back to you, not to the law firm. Of course, then you have to resend those same letters to the law firm so that they have them for their records, making sure to make copies for your own file first. Then the law firm is going to scan your credit reports into a computer and post it on their website. Then, believe it or not, even with all the money you're paying to the law firm, you still have to go to their website and choose for yourself which items you want to dispute and even how to challenge each negative credit item. You heard me right. You can read it here for yourself. The law firm then takes the information you input on their website and creates standard dispute letters that they send to the credit bureaus. By the way, you can't get a copy of these letters even though they're sending them with your name on them and even though you're the client. Why not? Because they don't want you to know how little work they're actually doing. Finally, the credit bureaus will still send all correspondence to your home address. So you will have to open every letter, read it, figure out if it's important, make copies of it for your records, and then put it in another envelope, address it, stamp it, and send it back to the law firm. You might have to do this 5 or 6 times every week. So you can see how inefficient this process is. And because all this takes so much time, the process drags on, and the law firm just keeps making more and more money. In fact, credit repair law firms actually tell you that it could take 1 year, 2 years, or even 3 years before you reach your goal. And forget about their guarantee. All they have to do is improve one item as small as a credit card inquiry, and they consider that they've done their job. So there's no money back even if 90% of your credit report is still negative after 3 years and $2,000. As you can see, these law firms are often nothing more than letter printing factories that make more money the longer they take. So why pay so much to get so little service? Especially since it's possible to accomplish the same goal with much less work at a fraction of the cost. Wouldn't it be great if there was a shortcut to achieving perfect credit, and that shortcut costs less than $100? Luckily for you, there is. Once you download the Credit Repair Magic software, you'll only invest a few minutes of time with our system, and having perfect credit will no longer be a dream. If you can point and click, you can repair your credit with Credit Repair Magic. There's no letter writing, no notarized documents, no outrageous fees. Once Credit Repair Magic has helped you to attain the highest credit score possible, you'll not only save the hundreds or thousands of dollars that you would have wasted on a law firm, you'll also save the thousands of dollars on your monthly payments. Own the car you've always wanted. Move into the home of your dreams. And own anything else that you've ever wanted or needed. And you'll pay less for all these things because you're going to qualify for the lowest interest rates on loans and credit cards. Isn't that what you really want and deserve? So you can take the complicated and expensive route, or you can download Credit Repair Magic right now and start living life on your terms. Credit Repair Magic is unlike any other program or service out there. It provides the best of all worlds. First of all, it's by far the simplest credit repair method on the planet. Since most people just want the quickest way to improve their credit, that's what we've created. We take you step by step and even tell you which buttons to click on and when. The software is designed to be extremely simple to navigate. You can point, click, and go back and forth just like on a web page, so you already know how to use it. In addition to our core point-and-click credit repair system, we've included detailed information for those who want to know more than just the basics, or even if you want to become a credit master. This information will absolutely astound you. When you experience what we've put together for you, you will see for yourself how professional and helpful this information really is. We even have both audio and video for those of you who prefer a multimedia experience. None of that is required if all you want to do is improve your credit, but it's there for you whenever you need it. Try Credit Repair Magic for yourself. If it's not everything we say it is, you can return it for a full refund with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. On the other hand, if it does what we say, then you're just a few minutes and a few dollars away from all the benefits of perfect credit. It doesn't matter if you have 100 late payments, foreclosure, bankruptcy, collections. Credit Repair Magic is the answer. We're taking all the risk, so what are you waiting for? Look for this icon and download Credit Repair Magic right now. Join the thousands who've used our system to obtain the best credit possible. Are you still here? I thought you were downloading the software. What are you waiting for? You've got nothing to lose. We're taking all the risk with our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So go on.